Oris is a company that has been playing it somewhat safe for quite a while, with fascinating variations of watches that you already are familiar with, such as the Aquis and Diver 65 models, but came out with a very interesting Big Crown Propilot X skeleton watch recently. This piece paved the way for this totally new creature in the Propilot X Calibre 400. It has the general case attributes as the Big Crown X does, which are modeled after an F-35 fighter jet, but has a very attractive case size and the powerful Calibre 400, which is accompanied by a 10-year warranty. They also went a step further and gave these pieces interesting colors, and the one that we are reviewing today is described by Oris as red-pink, but we like to refer to this as the salmon dial. Now let's see if this watch can live up to the hype and convince you to give Oris a shot. What's up everyone, it's Chris with the Little Treasury channel. Welcome back. This is where we bring you original and in-depth watch content at least once a week. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be alerted as soon as we upload. I'm from Little Treasury Jewelers, which is located in Gambrills, Maryland, and it's where you go when you're in the know. As always, the watches that I review are for sale and can be purchased, so please see the description below to contact us. If you're just joining us now, I'll cover the watch's detailed measurements and features, and then I'll offer my humble opinion at the end. In our last video, I reviewed the Seiko SLA 061, which is a blacked out and limited edition diver that has a sandy seabed inspired dial. This is not your standard Willard and has a lot more to it than at first glance. I highly recommend checking this one out if you have interest in a diver that will not attract attention, but will be special and highly effective. Wrist check time. Today I'm wearing my Oris Aquis Clipperton Island limited edition, which I would actually trade for today's watch. Yes, now tell me which watch you're wearing while you're watching the video and make sure to tell me why. Now let's get on to the features. The Oris Propilot X has a 39.2mm case width, a 12mm thickness, a 46.8mm lug to lug, a 19.1mm lug width, a 32.8mm crystal diameter, and weighs in at only 99.09 grams. The case is in titanium and is completely matte finished on the top and sides, with a strong, angular, yet stealthy look that is designed to evoke an F-35 fighter jet. A small crown protector can be found on each side of the crown, which is screw down, has Oris at the tip, and can be found at the 3 position. The bezel is matte finished and has a fascinating rifled pattern on it. The dial is in a very dynamic salmon color and has an orange peel texture on it. The markers are simple white lines with minute ticks around the perimeter. Oris can be found in white at the top middle portion. The hour and minute hands are lance style and are silver toned, with a simple pointer second hand. Propilot X and 5 days can be found at the bottom middle portion in white. The date window has a dial toned frame around it. It has black numerals with a white background and can be found at the 6 position to provide symmetry. Lume can be found on the hour and minute hands and on the top divided area of each dial marker besides the 6. The case back is open and shows off the Calibre 400 that actually looks like a teddy bear, which is Oris's mascot. The movement in this piece is the Oris Calibre 400. It has a 120-hour power reserve. It beats at 28,800 beats per hour, and it's accurate to within losing 3 to gaining 5 seconds per day. It has a 10-year service interval because of the low friction and extra efficient design. It comes with an insane 10-year warranty. It's highly anti-magnetic up to 2,250 Gauss, which for example, a Tesla car will only generate 0.14 Gauss. The Calibre 400 uses dual barrels, so it will be accurate down to the last moment of the 5 days of power. The bracelet is a 3-link angular design that's matte finished in titanium. It has a patented airplane seatbelt style folding clasp that says lift on it. No micro adjust is present. The Oris Propilot X Calibre 400 is 100-meter water resistant, comes with a crazy 10-year warranty, and can be yours for $4,300. Now for my personal opinion. Wow, I love this thing. Before I talk about how interesting this color is, I want to say that this case has a fantastic dimension and really interesting look with all the stealthy looking angles and matte finishing on it. Not to mention it is crazy lightweight in titanium. It is totally simple and does everything very well, including have a clean and easily read dial, with the date at the 6 position, I might add. The salmon dial on this is just awesome, and the color looks very different every time I glance at it at different lighting environments. The case looks fantastic on my 6.5-inch wrist, and Oris is finally making a compact but well-proportioned option. If you couple the great super light case design with interesting dial color, the Calibre 400's 5-day power reserve, and a 10-year warranty, you have a killer package here for a very reasonable price tag. And if you ask me, I will say that Oris has stepped itself up to the next level in releasing these, and this is a huge step forward for them. I will recommend this to anyone who has perhaps been waiting for that right Oris to come along, or would just like a very high value, packed full of all the right features possible in one place timepiece. Thanks for watching today, everyone. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. And of course, if you did, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with all of your friends and your family members too. I look forward to seeing you next video.